Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your guy, Tanna. I'm the Rick James of tech because I'm cold-blooded. When it comes to these YouTube videos, yes, sir, yes, sir. And in this video right here, this video is dedicated to a special group of people. I'm talking about the people who just started YouTube. Yes, sir, yes, sir. I'm going to help you guys out. I'm going to show you exactly what I started with and everything. So enough of me yapping. It's time to make it happen. Yo, maestro, hit that intro.
Tanna so official, Tanna so made, Tanna so real, Tanna so paid, Tanna so raw, Tanna be the shit, Tanna so official, Tanna so lit.
Now check this out, family. When I first started YouTube a couple of years ago, believe it or not, I didn't have an up-to-date computer that could handle YouTube and streaming and none of that. You know what I'm saying? So a boatload of my work, well, hell, all of my work was done from my smartphone. At the time, I had an old Samsung Galaxy S5. Yes, sir, yes, sir. I know, don't laugh. I know it's an ancient artifact or a dinosaur of a phone, but guess what? I knocked out a year's worth of work with that setup.
You ain't lying.
And I used a couple of apps that help me go ahead and edit and do everything efficiently. So yes, you don't have to have a flagship smartphone to start your YouTube channel today and shoot quality videos. The main thing you need to focus on is your lighting and your setup. Yes, sir, yes, sir. If you live in a house or an apartment like mine that have huge windows on deck that let in a lot of light, then you're in good business. Because long as it's daytime, your shots are gonna come out extra crispy and everything. But if your apartment or house doesn't have that many windows in it and don't let that much light in, it's other ways to go around getting good light. You know what I'm saying? You can go ahead and pull a lamp by you or something to illuminate your face or the object that you're shooting, anything. It's different tips and tricks that you can use to make your shot stellar. Now, I know you're probably asking, okay, I got the light and I got the phone, but what can help keep my camera steady? You know what I'm saying? Well, people, I was using this thing. This right here is a snake mount for a phone. Yes, sir, yes, sir. It's very affordable. I got this boy for like $12 on Amazon. I have the link below in the description and everything. And the most convenient about having this snake mount is that with this clamp right here, you can clamp onto a lot of objects and everything, like doors, plants, even pose anything and get stellar shots.
Okay.
Now people, I'm gonna show you guys how your video can look when you use your smartphone. Yes, sir, yes, sir. So I'm about to use my Samsung Galaxy A50 so you guys can see for yourself and let the tech do the talking. Let's get it. Yes, sir, Team Lit. This is me filming with my Samsung Galaxy A50 and everything. As you guys can see, you still get a nice picture out of this. No question about it. See, people, there's no excuse at all for you to go ahead and win on YouTube. No doubt about it. I'm doing this video because when I started, there were no channels, no advice, anything to help me out with starting my YouTube channel. So people, that's why I created this video and everything, to help people like you who were in the position I was in when I first started. So comment below and let me know, is using a smartphone is for sure. Now, when it came to editing my videos, man, peeps, I went to the Google Play Store and downloaded pretty much every video editing software there was. But the one I chose to stick with was Power Director. Yes, sir, yes, sir. With Power Director, man, I can choose different transitions and it was very easy to use with my workflow. Plus, I can upload my video to YouTube straight from the software. Absolutely dope. Okay. We got your camera game down. We got a decent tripod. We got the lighting tips. We got the editing app to use and all that. Now, if you want some nice royalty-free music for a low price, people, go to www.chosenbeats.club. Yes, sir, where you can go ahead and download music that's made by industry, Grammy Award nominated producers and all that for $2 a beat.
What?
Yes, $2 a beat for a limited time only. Go to chosenbeats.club and make that happen. You won't be disappointed. Now, when it came to improving my sound, instead of me getting a shotgun mic or getting a whole mic setup and everything, I went on to Amazon and ordered this Rob Top lavalier microphone set. Yes, sir. I chose this because it came with the essentials. It came with a DSLR adapter, just in case I wanted to upgrade to a DSLR, I could still use the microphone and everything. It also came with an extension cord, yes indeed. Just in case you want to go ahead and stand way back from your phone and everything while you're filming a video and still pick up that nice robust audio and everything. It has that on deck. And all the attachments are gold plated. Man, the link for this microphone right here is down below in the description. I actually shot 2 of my last videos using this lav mic right here. I highly recommend it. Now, another app that I use that I subscribe to still to this day that help me with tagging, analytics and all that is TubeBuddy. Yes sir, yes sir. And dig this, with TubeBuddy, they actually look out for you, especially if you're new in the game. For those YouTubers who have less than a certain amount of subscribers, you get half off, people. I'm talking about $4.99 a month for all that goodness that TubeBuddy has to offer. They even have live streams and YouTube videos so you can be there and ask all the questions that you want to ask to help you with your YouTube journey. Man, salute to TubeBuddy, no doubt about it. Well, all right, everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy and yourself a thumbs up because that's official. Yes, sir, yes, sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the swag and madness of Dan, Tanna, and Team Lit, then do that too, because that's official too. All right, everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.